Hi, I'm Speaker Newt Gingrich, and I want to bring you a message about a very important campaign that is underway right now. There's a special election in New York 20, and we have a great leader, Jim Tedesco, who has been a leader in the New York Assembly. He's a solid conservative. He fights for lower taxes. He's against wasteful government spending, and he has effectively represented New Yorkers on key issues, including jobs and a better economy. Jim needs your help. The election is March 31st. He has a real chance to win. And we have a program called 20 for 20. That's $20 donation for the New York 20th Congressional District. I hope you'll take a minute and send $20 to jimtedesco.com so that he can have money to win this very important special election, to send the signal to Washington that we don't want our taxes raised, we don't want our money wasted, and that we don't want all the power in America to sit in Washington, D.C. Jim Tedesco will fight for you, and I hope you will help him by joining 20 for 20 in the Tedesco campaign. Thank you very much.